Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So that's Aliyah, that's JJ, that's Muiz, that's Lola, and we're going to be making Nigerian PuffPuff, and that is Nadia. So there's flour, salt, sugar, yeast, milk, and water in the bowl that we're going to be making the PuffPuff in. So yeah, let's do this. So JJ is going to put 2 cups of flour into the bowl. He shook off the excess and he poured it in. Okay, so he's doing it. Now, Muiz is going to put half a tablespoon of salt into the bowl. Now, I am going to put a whole pack of active dry yeast into the bowl. There we go. So now Lola is going to put the sugar. She's going to put any amount of sugar she wants to put inside. But she's putting it in there just to keep it. So she's putting it in there. And she put a lot of sugar. That's a lot. And now Nadia's putting in the milk. Okay, so now Amirah already put in the water. So now it's time to mix it. First, Mama JJ was mixing it. Then Amirah was mixing it. And then Muiz mixed it. And then JJ mixed it. Actually, JJ mixed it. And then I mixed it. And then Lola mixed it, and then Muiz mixed it. Now Amirah is mixing it. She's just putting it back and forth, but that's okay. Now Muiz is going to mix it. And now I am mixing it. I'm mixing it very much better than Amirah and Muiz. Okay, I'm just kidding, but. And now Lola's mixing it. She is mixing it very well and very fast. Now Nadia is mixing it. Now everybody is mixing it. Yes! Mix, 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 mix. Everybody is mixing it. Yes!
Yeah, mix it all together, all of you.
Everybody, mix party! Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Did you record?
Wow, it's so goopy and stretchy.
Yeah. It's like slime.
Yeah.
And you put... Swing, swing, swing,
Sorry. Actual puff puff. So hot.
Maybe you should get some that colder.